Hello, and welcome to Someka Daily, Weekly, Monthly Task List template for Google Sheets. To use the template, make sure you are online and sign in with your Google account. Then you have to make a copy of this file. Just go to File, then click on Make a Copy. This tool helps you to track your daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, and it includes 3 different task lists. There are 4 sections in total: the dashboard section, daily to-do list, weekly to-do list, and monthly to-do list. Let's start with the dashboard section first. Dashboard consists of visual charts that shows the overall state of all your task lists. You can easily see the number of total tasks, number of tasks that are completed, in progress or not started. Let's continue with daily to-do list. You can use daily to-do list for your basic everyday tasks. For instance, you can write go to dentist and choose the status for each task. And you can track your tasks with the progress bar. This progress bar updates itself according to status of each task. For a more important or a longer term plan, you can use weekly task list. In this section, you can write multiple tasks for each day of the week. Again, after you input your tasks, you can choose the status of each task. The additional daily progress chart will show you the task completion rate for each day. And like in the previous task list, it also includes the progress bar. And lastly, let's check the monthly task list. In this section, you can input your tasks or projects that requires a deadline. Then enter date and deadline for each task. So let's give an example. Enter the entry date. And let's set up a deadline. The days left column will calculate how many days you have to complete the task. And like the previous sections, you can choose the status here. And again, the progress bar and yearly progress chart will be updated according to status of each task. And in this section, you have an additional monthly status section. Just choose the month from the drop-down list, and it shows you the overall status of your tasks for the selected month. And lastly, you can expand the number of tasks for each to-do list by clicking the plus sign button. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net.